Yeah, these passes will be used immediately upon purchase and is not eligible for a refund. Yep, that's standard. That's why they couldn't tell us if the September class gets a free power pass and left us in the shadows. Yeah, but literally if you read the event, it expires on the September, dude. Which means we can get the September new class and also with the power pass and everything. There is no guarantee on that. So, yeah. Rox also clarified for people wondering in the forum, she couldn't confirm or deny boost for every class. Yeah, they never said anything, right? But then, what people read is that Power Pass is not for every class, man. Slap the guy right there. But now I can work in saving gold to buy Grudge. Yep, that's a good one right there. Good use of it. Alright, let's go. It's Ding Dong double feature, man. Double feature Ding Dong right here. Because I have time until like my hell mode starts right now. So yeah, it's double feature time, man. Double feature because of the hell mode delay. Hell mode delay. Back to back React user. Yep, it is Ding Dong time, guys. Double feature React. Let's go. So yeah, F to the people that have to pay 50 euro to get Unica Pass for the September class. Wait, for the September class? But they never said that it's not gonna have like Power Pass though. So yeah. Oh yeah, speaking of which, speaking of this then, I need to ask one first, basically. The Express, does it expire at September 28 as well? The Express? Or is it only the thing? Only what's the name? It does? Okay, 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 okay. Got it, get it. Okay, that's the only thing I need to know. Okay. Alright. Nothing is confirmed, might or might not have new boosts. Well, the only thing they said is that Power Pass and Hyper Express will not go to the next class. Yeah, it goes until September 28. The new class probably September 28 when it comes out. And then you might get a new boost and a new Hyper Express. Probably 14, 15. You don't know that, right? So, yeah. I guess people don't read, but I mean, like, expecting people to read is a bit difficult, you know. Roadmap next week for sure, man. Giga Copium, dude. Giga Copium. Anyways, let's see here. Added the power pass that can be purchased on the character select UI. So this is like the usual. This is like the update, right? This is the paid power pass as usual, basically, that we have. Okay. Players will be able to purchase this power pass even if they have not completed the in-game content or previous character. I think this is a good thing, to be honest. In Korea, you have to do it manually. In NAU, you don't have to. So newer players, if they are willing to pay for it, they can just go straight into like the Punica at least, you know. Not end game yet, but at least it's there. So yeah. Yeah, these passes will be used immediately upon purchase and is not eligible for a refund. Yep, that's standard. That's why they couldn't tell us if the September class gets a free power pass and left us in the shadows. Yeah, but literally if you read the event, it expires on the September, dude. Which means we can get the September new class and also with the power pass and everything. There is no guarantee on that. So, yeah. Rox also clarified for people wondering in the forum, she couldn't confirm or deny boost for every class. Yeah, they never said anything. Right? But then, what people read is that Power Pass is not for every class, man. Slap the guy right there. I don't know, man. Yeah, everything ends on the 28th, which in a way it kinda maybe like say that like you might get the September update on the 28th. Maybe. We don't know. So, yeah. But probably that's the case. But yeah. Wanna just knowledge transfer to Vern and just get just quest the rest because tier 1 tier 2 is free now. If you don't want to quest, you can knowledge transfer even more. That's one way to do it, bosses. Yeah, you are correct. Yep, you can just do that without like costing you a lot of stuff, but it will take you time. It will still take time to go through tier 1 tier 2 doing the story manually or like knowledge transfer. So for people that like don't want to waste their time, they can just pay for this. And guess what? People do pay for this, Hannesman. People just pay for this in the end. Because like they just don't wanna like, you know, they think their time is worth more than like using the knowledge transfer manually, which is fine. I mean, like, it's your money, right? And that's totally fine. So yeah, but if you wanna save like money, you use knowledge transfer and you do it manually. If you're gonna buy the Punica power pass, right? Basically, knowledge transfer to Vern first, it will discount this by 1100 royal crystal. So by 11 bucks, 10 bucks or something like that. So just like a quick tip right there, if you wanna buy the Punica Power Pass, use the knowledge burn transfer, because like to use that is free. There is no limitation of eye level, right? Make a character, knowledge transfer it, Punica Pass it for 4400. Save an extra 10 bucks right there. You can go buy a McDonald's with it. So yeah. But yeah, do I need to finish Punica quest to get Power Pass for new account? New account? Well, for new account, wait, the paid one? The paid one? No. The what's the name? The event one, you have to. Yes. So yeah, it's not just Punica quest. Actually, it's the purple quest at the end of Punica. So yeah, do all continents on roster level. Yep. Yeah, but if their time is worth this amount of money for them, I don't see the point in complaining about the price. True, that is correct. I don't think they're complaining about the price, to be honest. So yeah, I think they're complaining about the fact that, like, in September we don't get Power Pass or something like that. That's what they're complaining about, which is like not even guaranteed, dude. Like, we don't even know that. So yeah, I thought this guy is gonna complain about like maybe regional price, because the price is the same no matter what region you are, right? So yeah, but to be fair, you guys can't have nice things because people abuse it. You gotta blame those people, man. Kaiba, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome, dude. Yeah, you gotta blame those people that abuse it. Basically, people abuse, like, if, like, let's say like a regional price happens like in Turkey, you can like buy the Punica pass for like much cheaper. Then people will just like abuse it, and then like you wonder why you can't get it. Back in the day in the founder thing, this happens already. So yeah, making me suffer in Poland. Yeah, unfortunately, that's just how it goes right there. So yeah, yeah. React Andy time, Tony. React Andy. Yeah. But yeah, I think it's in the stars if we get a pass or not, or an express or not. I think it could happen. It might not happen, but basically it could be there still. So yeah. Anyways, but yeah, this is the one right here. This is the one, yeah. Or they could leveling it legit to tier 3 since tier 1, tier 2 mat are cheap as dirt, and tier 1, tier 2 honing got a turbo buff. Honestly, tier 1, tier 2 is not as bad as you guys think. Shards will gate you. Because like you can't like use what's the name? You can't get like the shard from like islands anymore, right? So tier 1, tier 2 will take time for sure because of like shard gating. That's normal though. So yeah, that's normal. That's normal. So yep. Okay, 8 hours of knowledge transfer. Then if you still have sanity, do the whole quest line, handle Punica for about 6 to 8 hours. If not knowledge transfer, the whole quest line, you are in about 40 hours in tier 3. Instead just being in tier 3 and start your journey. Well, either way, yeah. That's basically how it is right here. So yeah, knowledge transfer don't take time since you don't have to play your character in it. Maximum 5 hour playtime to reach the tree with an alt, and that if you're cheap and do the tower and buy the lowest amount of mat possible. Wait, I just realized this guy's name is like, yeah, I don't know about that one right there. Gonna get banned actually. Gonna get banned. Yeah, we go back. Not that name, man. Please, not that one. Not that name. Not that name. Tier 1, Tier 2 Infinite Chaos gives a lot of shards, way less granted than Tier 3 Infinite Chaos, so I don't think you will get shard gated. I think it depends, but basically you'll have to do it. So yeah, basically shard will gate you if you're doing it manually. It's just one of the things that like will gate you. So yeah, so rare Chinese, nah, it's just in case, man. I get banned, bro. Just in case, just in case. But yeah, well, that's paid power passes for this, I thought, like, to be honest, I was really thinking that, like, I thought they're not gonna add this to like an AU version because people were complaining about pay to win aspect, right? And I was thinking maybe like Amazon decide not to release this because of like pay to win, you know. Some people were complaining about this one. You need your MSQ to unlock gem, yes. You have to, yeah. Is just pay to progress? Yeah, well, people don't like that, Hannes. That's the thing. So yeah, so I thought that like you guys will not get it because Amazon is just adhering to like people that are complaining it's like pay to win. But guess what? I guess you still get it anyway. So yeah, it was just late. But hey man, better late than never. Better late than never. So yeah, past midnight, feeling old already, Vaniraman. Get some rest, bro. So yeah, only the one that skips the main quest is worth. All of it skips main quest though. What do you mean? So yeah, what do you think of one class every 2 months instead of 1 month? Well, it depends on how it is right there. So yeah, back in the day, they said that like it's for like class for like a new power pass for every class, right? So that's why it's 2 months, right? And that's understandable. I'm okay with that. So yeah, but if they don't release like power pass within like with the 2 class being like every 2 months, then what's the point of like delaying it for 2 months? Then release it every month if that is the case. Because like initially what they said is that like they're releasing it too fast, they cannot release power pass together with it. Okay, well, slow it down and give power pass to like every class, then sure, I understand that decision. But yeah, I guess it depends. Guess we'll find out on September when like we get when you guys get a new class, whether you get power pass and or not. we'll see. So yeah. Does it count as pay to win if you just buy skin? I personally don't really care, but I mean, like, a lot of people do care about it, Turtle Man. Basically, they count you if you spend a single cent, they count you as pay to win or something like that. Some of this, like, butthurt people, I don't care, to be honest. Birthday today, Vanira? Ah, I see. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, Vanira. Happy birthday, man. Hope you're feeling great today. So, yeah. 1% strength from skin, pay to win. Yeah, well, I don't know. It's just like the pay to win Andy right there, basically, the usual. They just find like things to complain about for like the thing. But yeah, that's the Punica pass right there, 50 euro to get Punica pass for September class. Not really, man. There is no guarantee in September whether we get Power Pass and Hyper Express again or not. We don't know. Maybe we will. Hopefully we will. But yeah. And then for people that are like what's the name, regional, because of like regional like price, have to pay a lot for the Punica pass. I mean, like, you know, it's because it's if you have regional price, then it gets abused. So technically, you should blame the abuser for that. But yeah, this is basically the paid power pass, boys. The paid power pass React Andy. It's a bit like, I don't know. I think it's nice. I think like this one should be in game earlier as well. Just give people option, you know. Just give people option. So yeah, well, better late than never. But now it is in the game. So yeah, that's paid power pass for you, boys. That's paid power pass for you. So yeah, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. React over. All right, let's go then. Please roadmap next week. Giga Copium. But yeah, anyways, let's move on.